In this video, I will be showing you how to create a portfolio website using Canva. Let's get started. I start on the Canva homepage, click into the search bar, and type in Website Portfolio. From the search suggestions, I click See All to browse through all the available website templates. I scroll down through the different layout options, find a creative portfolio design that fits my style, and click on it. In the preview window, I select Customize this template to load the full layout directly into the Canva editor. Once the workspace loads, I scroll down to review the pre-designed sections and layout structure, then scroll back up to the top hero section to begin customizing. I click on the main name heading, highlight the text, and replace it with Sarah May Thomas, adjusting the bounding box so the text fits cleanly across the banner. Next, I select the subtitle text on the right, change Graphic Designer to Virtual Assistant, open the text color palette, and set the font color to white. I reposition the text for better balance and delete the extra date element below it to keep the header minimal. Now, I right-click on the hero image, choose Detach Image from Background, and delete it. To add a new photo, I open the Elements tab on the left sidebar and search for Virtual Assistant. I click See All under Photos, scroll through the library, and click a photo of a workspace setup to add it to the canvas. I right-click the image, choose Set Image as Background, double-click to adjust the crop and positioning, and click Done. To improve contrast, I select the main name text, change the color to a warm yellow, and open the Effects panel to apply an echo effect so it pops against the background. Next, I scroll down to the Introduction section, select the background, and change its color to a matching yellow tone from the photo palette. Finally, I scroll back up and click the Publish Website button in the top right corner to view the publishing options and prepare the site for launch. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to create a portfolio website using Canva.